Hi, my name is Gabriela from Tulip Art Designs, and on this channel I am giving you creative tips and watercolor sketching ideas for your free time. In today's video I want to show you my favorite 3 watercolor books that I just bought by myself. This video is not sponsored, it's just, I wanted to share my own thoughts. So if you're ready, let's get started. So here I have 3 of my favorite books. Let's start with the first one. So let me just make a little bit of space. This one is from Kobe Bloom, and I really like her style because she's always trying to teach you how to watercolor, also for relaxation, and how to become a very free artist, or at least that's what I got. And I love following her also on Instagram. So this one is about landscapes, and she really break down her projects in steps, and she's explaining the techniques and the color palette and everything, so you can see. And these projects are very doable for a short period of time, and you really have nice results. They are super beginner friendly, and they are, you get a very beautiful result in the end. You can see, like, this is also one that's stunning, and she has explanations, but she also has the photos of the painting step by step, how she made it. So it's just super nice book. She has, oh yeah, this one is one of my favorite, the Northern Lights. It's just amazing. So all her projects are just super nice, and she also shows some elements that she's working with, and color theory, and just everything you need to just start painting some very nice landscapes. The other book is, let's just do this one, Watercolor for Relaxation. This one is from Angelica Torres. I really love it. She has also very nice projects. Of course, leaves are always my favorites. She's also showing techniques, and then she also has projects that are mixed media, so not only watercolor, but here she's also using acrylic, so she's showing you how to make this. And it's just a very nice book, and the projects are also explained step by step, also in photos, and also in text. So it's a very nice one. This project I just made, this one, I think it took me like 10 minutes. It's called 25 Meditative Projects to Help You Unwind, and it's definitely true. So I definitely recommend this book. And the last book is, I would say, a bit more intermediate, or these projects goes a little bit more into details, from Rosalie. I love her. She's just this nature lover, and on Instagram you can always see how many places she visited, and she's showing her love to the nature. And like, if you are not a nature person and if you follow her, you will become one, I'm sure. She also has very nice projects, but then they are more detailed, just like this, and they are amazing. She's also explaining you step by step. Let's just pick one let's say this butterfly, and she just goes out, she finds something, she takes photos. She also has Skillshare classes, and she's showing you how to do this. So if you want, you can follow her. Again, this is not an ad at all. I am just you know, sharing my love for these artists. So she's explaining how to draw the object and then how to paint it like this, and she's making it with a few different objects. So it's just amazing. It's a bit like a watercolor sketching for me, but also drawing, because you are really going into detail. And yeah, I know the border between watercolor sketching and drawing is very small, but it's amazing because you have, you know, you have inspiration from the nature, and then you just bring it on the paper through your mind and through your eyes. So it's just amazing. She has very nice projects as well, like this one, so you could see the illustrations she made. Or this one is one of my favorites. Like, look, that's the photo and this is the illustration. It's just, it's amazing. It's wonderful. So yeah, these were my top 3 books that I would buy first if I knew about them, because I have my library here and there, but these are my favorite. I hope this video was helpful and you just, you know, learn something new. Please just consider subscribing for my channel if you want to help me grow here. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!